Hi guys. Hi guys. So guys, we want to. This is the NFP, and I'm gonna be giving my perspective as to what I think is gonna happen um, during the NFP. So sit tight, guys. So let's do this together. Let me invite people to come join the stream so that we do it together, guys. So guys, let's do this together. Let's do it together. Okay. So So, guys, what do we think is going to happen? I'm going to give my perspective as to what's going to happen on the charts during the NFP. Um, so, guys, so far this is what's happening on the markets. I'm going to do a market review. I'm going to check. We're going to see what's going to happen. I'm going to drop my perspective as to what is going to happen in the news today. So, guys, I'm going to be giving my perspective on the NFP non-farm employment change today is coming out soon. So um, please let's do it together, guys. So I'm going to drop my perspective as to what I think is going to happen. Okay, guys. So I'm going to drop my perspective as to what is going to happen, what I think is going to happen on the charts during the NFP. Please, if you want me to check a pair for you, if you want me to check a pair, just drop a comment. So far, I'm going to start with gold. So gold has been in this downtrend for a while now. Okay, guys, it's been on this downtrend for a while now, and yesterday, gold started a new trend, and right now, gold have actually gotten to this trend line, and I think that we are likely going to see gold continue bullish. So I was thinking that we're going to see some kind of you know momentum, some kind of consolidation, and then maybe a breakout to continue the move to the downside. But at this point, gold is at a critical junction. As you can see, gold is at a very technical place right now. So there's a possibility that we're going to see gold go back to the trend line, the higher time frame trend line on, or that's the more likely possibility. Okay, or it's going to respect this trend line and then continue the bearish push to the downside. However, I'm very um depends on the outcome of the news, really. It depends on the outcome of the news. Depends on the outcome of the news. I'm very positive that we might see a bullish move. We can break this trend line and see gold gets to the trend line. We're going to be looking at, if gold breaks the trend line, we're going to be looking at this psychological level at 1669.710. That is what I am thinking. So guys, it all depends on what happens, the outcome of the news. So it all depends on the outcome of the news, guys. So that's what I think on gold. So if we take a look at the higher time frame, we'll take a look at the higher time frame. Gold have been a downtrend, overall downtrend. We've been in a downtrend, and then we've been in a downtrend, and you can see gold have been respecting this trend line, and then we think it is high time it is broken, so that gold can actually get up to 1669. We're going to be looking at 1669. Please share the stream, drop a comment if you like our stream. Please subscribe to our channel. This is Millionaires FX. Once again, I want to welcome you all to this live stream, and this is looking good. So we're looking at gold breaking. I don't think gold, if gold was going to fall, we should have seen the structure. It would have been setting up for that fall, but we don't see any fall so far. So we are thinking that gold is likely going to continue. We want to see if gold is going to be able to get to 1669. That's on the higher time frame. That's what I see on the higher time frame. So I believe that there's a high possibility. However, our job is not to predict. Our job is to react to the behavior of the market. So right now, the market is still rejecting the trend line. It is showing some level of rejection on the 1 hour to this trend line. This trend line has been very strong. It's been holding this market for so long. You see this trend? It has been so strong. It has been holding this market for so long. So now we're going to see if price is going to if you're going to see some level of pullback from there. Okay, but I believe that there's a high possibility that we're going to see 1669 or even maybe more on this NFP. I believe that it's likely they're going to break it, because if they're going to break to the downside, they would have started setting up the structure. You would have seen some kind of structure. However, price is still rejecting this level. You see that trend line? Price is still rejecting that level, which is a very critical level. That level is very critical. That trend line is being rejected, so we don't know if from there they're going to fall. But then by the time we're done with this analysis, you're going to have a clearer understanding as to what to expect in the market. So right now, if we continue to see this consolidation, if we continue to get some kind of consolidation here, that means there's a possibility that we'll break up to the upside. But then some of these pair, they correlate. So there's a high possibility that what's happening on one pair, if USD is weak on one pair, then you're going to see the weakness on almost all the other pair, because the other currencies are going to be setting up, and then you're going to see it. So let's go to Nasdaq. Let's go to Nasdaq. Okay, because Nasdaq have been, the reason why I think that gold is going to continue bullish is because I've seen on Nasdaq that Nasdaq is actually preparing to break this structure, this trend line structure, and then if it breaks the structure, there's a high possibility that we're going to see a bullish move to the upside up till our first target will be 16. This is the bank zone at 11064.93, and then we're going to be, if it breaks it, then we're going to be seeing, targeting 11365.42. That is what I think is going to happen on Nasdaq. So that's what I think is going to happen on Nasdaq. So guys, if you're joining the stream, please give us a like, give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the stream. Please, it helps us to do more, guys. Okay, guys, please give us a like, give us so guys, if you're joining, please, if you want us to check a pair, kindly kindly ask us, and we will try as much as we can, as much as we can, to try to check the pair for you. So basically what we're going to be expecting on this NFP news is we're going to see some level of we're going to see some bullish momentum on Nasdaq. You know, that trend line is about to be broken, and then if it's broken, we're going to see there's a high possibility that we're going to do all the way to this level, and if we break this level, we're going to get all the way to this level. So these are the two levels that we're looking at on Nasdaq. So it's, so, and GBP USD is also setting up for a bullish push to the upside. So you can see GBP USD is also setting up for a bullish push to the upside. You can see it have also broken the trend line, the liquidity trend line on the high, on the 30 minutes. So since it has broken it, it is reacting to the psychological level right here. So it's reacting to the psychological level at 1.12618. If it breaks 1.12618, we'll be looking to go all the way up to this trend line that I've been holding for a while now. This trend line I've been holding for some time now. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. So this trend line I've been holding for a while now, and we've been riding this trend. This trend have been down for some time now, and now we're seeing a possibility that to go up. We're looking at the possibility to go up because I've already broken the trend line. Since it have already broken the trend line, there's a possibility that we're going to see this level when the market begin to push upwards. However, how do you get into this trade? See, we're looking at this level. So if for any reason the market breaks above, if you get, so do not be shocked if you get that bullish move to the upside. There's a high possibility that we're going to see if it breaks above this psychological level, then we are going to see the possibility for this price to push all the way up to this this other trend at this level at we're going to see up to this level at hopefully this trend line. We're going to see this trend line. Okay, we're going to see up to this level. I'm looking at this level because this also, that level also coincide with the structure too. It's also coincide with the structure. Okay, it also coincide with the structure of the market. So if it breaks it, we are likely going to see this level. So that's what we are looking at. Do not mind the fact that right now it is showing bearish momentum. That's what they do. What if they're going to go long, then they're going to start going short at first before the news. But if they're going to go long, then they're going to start going short first. So they're going to trick people to go in the opposite direction first to get, soaked into the wrong direction, and then when it's time, the market is going to explode in the opposite direction. So that is what we are looking at. And then if you also take a look at Euro USD, if you also take a look at Euro USD, you're going to see also that Euro USD is also setting up the same setup is also playing out on Euro USD. So because the same setup is also playing out on Euro USD, if we see a breakout above, if the price should go above this psychological level at 0.98063, then we continue to go to the upside though. So that's why I said that this pair correlates, they work together. So when one or two is looking is looking the same, that means there's a high possibility that all other ones are going to also go in the same direction, because these pairs are correlated pairs. So the, on AUD USD, I dropped this signal on AUD USD that if the trend line is broken, then we are going to see the possibility of a push to the upside. Is still looking the same template, the same behavior. The market is looking very, very bullish right now. So if it breaks, it have already broken the trend line, and now it is retesting the trend line, because it is actually going to trick people to they're actually going to trick people in the opposite direction, guys. They're actually going to trick people in the opposite direction. So what it does is that it's going to go down to retest this structure, and then we're going to see that bullish move to happen during the news. However, we are only reactive in nature. We are not the market makers. We don't tell the market what to do. So basically, I do not trade the news. Okay, I do not trade the news. What I do is that I wait few minutes after the news. I don't want to be there at that initial spike, because the broker is going to take advantage of that to give you slippage and give you so many kind of so many kind of nonsense you don't expect to see in the markets. um Most times, I don't want to trade the news because I don't want to see those initial spike. I don't want slippage. I don't want any kind of market manipulation. So I wait for the market to settle down a few minutes, and then I begin to look at the market carefully. If I see a setup that I can trade, that I can scale into, then I want to scale into this setup. So that's it, guys. So what I'm doing right now, I'm my initial probability, my bias is more bullish than bearish. I'm looking at a bullish momentum. Okay, in this market, my bias is more bullish than bearish. So if we go down to the 15 minutes, you will see that the market is actually returning back to the structure, break and retest. So after retesting the structure, then we are going to likely see an explosive move to the upside. So guys, that is what I am expecting to see in this market today. So that's it, guys. For gold, like I said before, I am not likely um I'm looking at gold, and it's still respecting this trend line. It's still respecting this trend line. It is still respecting this trend line. So guys, so gold is still respecting the trend line, and it's not bad. So we're gonna keep watching gold. It's still respecting the trend line, showing a lot of weakness on the trend line, but we're gonna wait. Time is gonna tell. Okay, time is gonna tell once the news breaks out. Actually, I don't usually like to focus on the forecast of the people's forecast about the fundamentals or what to expect, because it could be anything. It could be anything. Until the news is out, nobody can actually tell what is going to happen. If it's going to be positive news that is going to give a lot of push to the US dollar, or it's going to be a negative news that's going to affect the new US dollar. So whichever one it is, our job is to pay attention, and follow the signs, because everything, the news and everything, follows the structure of a market. There's a structure that have already been laid down in the market. Once the structure is laid down, everything is going to continue to work out according to the structure that have been laid down for this market to follow. So the market always follow the structure, not the other way around. So most times, if there's a news and you know the structure, you can find the structure. There's a high possibility that you are going to still win most of the trades, because the news will always follow the structure. So guys, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up, encourage this live stream so that we can keep giving you more powerful content. I called out this trade on gold yesterday. I called out this trade on gold yesterday. I told them that if it breaks this trend line, that we are looking to go long, and it did break this trend line. So I also called out this trade yesterday on Millionaires FX, and a lot of people took this trade, and it was a clean trade. It was a cool win. So basically, I called this trade yesterday. So yesterday I also called this trade when it broke out of this level. When it broke out of this level, I knew that and we broke out the trend line. I knew that we are ready to go long. But really, I couldn't get it here. that gold is still respecting this trend line. So far it is still respecting the trend line. So the other day there was a spike. The spike still respected the trend line, and now gold is still respecting this trend line. I do not know what's going to happen, but I am still very very bullish. The probability that we're going to be bullish is still high. However, as a trader, you have to be flexible in your opinion. You have to be flexible. So in about 22 minutes, we are going to be we are going to be facing the news, the NFP news. So like I said, on Nasdaq too, we are still waiting to see what's going to happen on Nasdaq. If you have a pair you want me to analyze, just ask the question. Please drop it on the comment section. I'm going to try as much as I can to give you my perspective as to what I think is going to happen in the market, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to try as much as I can to give you my perspective as what is going to happen in the market. So I'm very very positive that we are going to see so guys, drop me a comment if you think that you if you think that you are finding our content valuable. Please give us a thumbs up, and you can as well try to share this live stream. So I'm very very bullish on the NFP. I'm very bullish. I'm more bullish. I'm more bullish. I'm still looking at the sorry. I'm taking a look at the currency strength meter. I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish. I'm looking at the currency strength meter right now. I'm seeing the momentum on other pairs is increasing while that of the USD is actually decreasing. So I know that there's a high possibility if gold continues to the upside, I'm going to be looking at this. So like psychological level, these are the levels I'm going to be looking at for gold. But I don't want to I don't think I want to take a trade on gold, really, guys, because gold have already done a lot of pips today. I do not know if it still have the capacity to give us more pips or not. However, I would rather go with maybe Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is looking bearish again. It's looking bearish, but I'm still very positive that we are likely going to see some bullish momentum in this NFP. I'm still very positive that we're going to see some bullish momentum. And then I have already dropped some analysis on gold, what I think is going to happen on gold, what I think is going to happen on Nasdaq. What they do is, if they are going to go bullish, they're going to start going bearish at first. Okay, they're going to start going bearish at first. So that's the idea. That's how they do. And then at the last minute, the market is going to reverse in the opposite direction, and then the momentum is going to kick in. So basically, and now I'm seeing a lot of these pairs are looking very very bearish. I am still very positive that we are bullish. If you look at Euro USD, the market have already set up for that bullish run. We've seen the low of yesterday. The market have opened near the low of yesterday, meaning that we are likely going to see some bullish momentum in this market. So it's very very important that we pay attention, and you're going to see, if you follow me closely, you're going to see that you're going to have a lot of winning trade after this news is released. But I'm very very bullish. However, I'm not the market maker. We are only reactive. However, we can predict their footstep if we pay attention. So I want to encourage you guys to stay put and listen to watch, follow the chart, what the chart is saying. I've been able to review the charts in many ways, and I've seen that there's a high possibility of of a bullish move. However, the Nasdaq is still respecting the trend line, the bearish trend line. Gold is also respecting the bearish trend line. This is 312. This is 12 minutes. It's remaining about 17 18 more minutes to the NFP. So gold is still respecting the trend line. Gold is still respecting the trend line. Nasdaq is still respecting the trend line to the bearish side, the bearish trend line. But but seriously, guys, this is how it is every time. That's how it works. That's the reason why a lot of people cannot be able to um, catch these trades, because it is actually looking like like it's going to be very bearish, but in the reality they have intentions of going very bullish. So right now, all of okay, Euro USD is also looking bearish. Also, it's also looking bearish, but we're gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, even AUD USD, they are all showing bearish momentum. So, but we're gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, guys, we're gonna wait and see what happens. I'm very bullish in gold. Very bullish in gold. I'm very bullish on gold. So all these pairs, this is the best bet. The best bet is to wait to see a clear breakout. If we can break out above this psychological level, then it is game over on Nasdaq. If we break above this psychological level, then it's game over. Okay, guys. So, but if we don't break it, that means we're likely gonna see that move continue to the downside up till we're gonna be looking at this level. We're gonna be looking at this level at 10434.88 if it continues this bearish move. But I do not think, however, I'm not the market maker. I do not think we are going to see that bearish move. I believe that we are going to see some bullish momentum coming to this market. I do not know, but the more we get closer to the time, more confirmation is going to come, because I'm going to be looking at a lot of parameters, and then I'm going to know what is going to happen. If you look at gold right now, you see that gold is beginning to form gold is still respecting the trend line, but I'm seeing rejections from the downside, showing that it is gearing up for some kind of bullish momentum. It is gearing up some kind of bullish momentum on the 15 minutes. I'm seeing some kind of rejection from the downside. Okay, guys. So, guys, let us wait and see. I'm very on gold. I'm very bullish, guys. Still very bullish on gold. I'm still very bullish. However, we'll wait and see. Still very bullish on gold. On Nasdaq, I'm still very bullish also on Nasdaq, but we'll see. The more we get closer to the time, the more the chances that we'll have more confirmation when we get closer to the time. We'll get more confirmations when we get closer to the time. Okay, guys. So I'm still taking a look at GBP USD. On GBP USD, I'm still very bullish. Still very bullish. Some people will say maybe we are going to be bearish. It's still possible, but I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. I'm still looking at the possibility of us getting some bullish momentum in this market. So the more it gets closer, we're going to know for sure. The more the time is closer. Okay, guys. I'm going to be checking the strength of the currencies to see. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish on these pairs. I'm watching to see what they do. Is if they are going to go bullish, then they are going to start setting up some bearish structure to confuse the traders that they are actually going bearish, to trick them to go in the opposite direction. But you have to follow the structure. The news always follow the structure. So that is what we're doing. We're looking at the news, and the news follows the structure. So that's it, guys. So we keep waiting to see what's going to happen. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish. We're now at it's remaining 12 minutes to the release of the news, and I'm still very bullish. Okay, I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish. I'm still very bullish, guys. We are getting close. We are remaining 12 minutes to the release of the news, and I'm still very bullish. I'm still looking at the possibility of a bullish momentum kicking in into this market. And most times, these pairs they align, they work together, they correlate with each other. So I'm looking at the possibility of a bullish momentum kicking in. So very soon we're going to find out. As the time gets closer, the more we're going to find out. The more it gets closer, the more we're going to find out. However, I don't like to jump into the market so early. I want to wait for the initial spike to happen. Then I want to start looking for an opportunity to get into continue the momentum, because I don't like sometimes when you're going to have the market spike, and then maybe it's just actually going bullish, but then it's going to spike bearish, spike to the downside first of all, and then it's going to give you slippage. So maybe it's going to mess up your account before it's going to finally begin to go in the right direction that you intended. So I don't want that. So therefore, I'm going to wait. So guys, we are still trading our 1 minute. We're still working with our trading our 1 minute scalping strategy live, guys. We're still trading it, and so far the result has been amazing. The win rate is crazy, guys. Very crazy win rate. So I'm going to be getting into these trades as I see them begin to set up. So gold is looking very bullish too. Think we are going to see this this thing break, this trend line got broken during this news. So it's remaining 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes before we it happens, before the news begins. So I'm going to be getting in some great trades into these positions. After the news, I'm going to be taking my position. I don't want the spike. That's why I don't want to get in too early. I'm going to wait for the initial spike. Then I'm going to find an opportunity to get into this market. And I'm targeting 5 pairs. I'm targeting 5 pairs. I'm keeping eyes. I'm keeping watch on 5 pairs, which I'm going to trade right now. You're going to see the result, guys. I'm going to be trading these 5 pairs, and you're going to see the results. So, guys, I'm going to be trading these 5 pairs. So I'm keeping an eye on them. Once it is time, I'm going to get in and I'm going to kill it, like you see. So watch out and see how we're going to do this thing. So stay put, guys. So I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish. However, I'm going to wait for a few minutes. After the news, I'm going to wait for a couple minutes before getting in. Okay, guys? I'm going to wait for a couple minutes before getting in. So I'm not going to jump in immediately. No. I'm going to wait. Because patience pays, guys. Patience pays. If you have patience, you will always win. The patient guys always win, guys. So patience pays. So I'm going to be waiting to see that break happen. If it happens to the upside, great. As a trader, we have to be very, very flexible, guys. Very, very flexible. So what my idea is, wait few minutes after this initial spike, then you start looking for an opportunity to get in and scale it in. Okay, guys. So remaining 8 minutes only to the release of the news. So we're getting ready. Multiple. I'm gonna be doing multiple entries, and then you're gonna see. So we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing multiple entries. I'm gonna be scaling in so many trades at the same time. I'm gonna show you guys the profit. So just chill. I'm gonna be scaling in a lot of trades at the same time. Just watch out, guys. So let's wait and see what happens with this. Let's see how these things plays out. 7 minutes to the release of the news, so we're still getting ready, and then we're waiting to see if we're really gonna get that bearish move or a bullish move. Are we gonna get that bearish move, continuation of the bearish move, or not? That's what we want to find out. But I think I'm very bullish. My bias is bullish. My bias is bullish, very bullish. So we'll see. My bias is bullish, guys. I'm very bullish. However, I'm a flexible trader. Could be bearish. If it's bearish, so as a trader, I view the market in terms of probability. Okay, I view the market in terms of probability. I don't want to begin to predict the market. No, I just look at the signs. The signs is saying that there's a high possibility that we're going to see some bullish momentum in this market. This is 324. This 324. 5 more minutes to the release of the news. 5 more minutes. So, and I'm waiting to see what's going to happen, and I'm going to check the strength of the currencies again. Okay. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish, guys. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what happens, guys. I'm still very bullish, guys. It's remaining 5 minutes to the my bias is bullish. However, if it goes in the opposite direction, we'll still trade it. The most important thing is that we're patient. Okay, is that we're patient. If the market is spiking crazily, you stay away from the market. If it's doing what you want to see, then you get in. If it starts to begin to walk in one direction consistently, that's when we want to get in. Sometimes the market can be very crazy. Okay, so in that case, you want to stay away from the market. Okay, you want to stay away from the market in that case. So I'm going to be taking multiple trades. So it's remaining 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. So I'm still going to be doing some final checks to see. Okay, GBP USD is looking very bearish. So I'm not looking like looking to take GBP USD. It's looking very bearish. I don't know why, but it is looking very bearish. Okay, all these pairs are beginning to look bearish. Okay, let us take a look again. I want to check, do some final check. Normally, if they are going up, they will start going down before the news. That's how they roll. So before the news, they're going to go down and give you the impression that they're going down. Okay, guys, that's how they roll. So most times, if it is down, if it's looking very bearish, then it means that during the news you're going to see some bullish moves. So I'm seeing some bearish momentum kicking in. So let's see what happens. But I'm very bullish. I'm still very bullish. That's my bias in terms of probability, guys. That's my bias. I'm more bullish than bearish. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see everything. This 22 minutes to the release of the news. 2 minutes. I want to go back again and check the strength of the currencies. I'm actually basically interested on USD. USD. That's why I'm basically interested, because most of these pairs are trading against the USD. So I'm looking at the USD to see the strength of the USD in relation to all of them. So my best candidate here is looking like most of these pairs are going to have full. The strength are going to increase. The volume, the momentum is going to increase soon. So it's looking very bearish now. Let us see if we are going to see some bearish move. Okay. Okay, 1 minute to the release of the news. So what do we think? I'm still very bullish. 1 minute to the release of the news, I'm still bullish. I'm thinking bullish. I do not know. I'm still thinking bullish. If it continues bullish, okay, I think I'm seeing some bearish momentum coming in, guys. I'm seeing some bearish momentum coming in, but I'm still bullish. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm bullish, guys. I'm still looking to see that bullish momentum continue. Okay. Oh, it's bearish, guys. It's bearish. Oh, it's bearish, guys. Okay, we go bearish. That's it. That's it, guys. It's bearish. It's bearish, guys. Okay. Oh, it was a fake out. You see? You see, guys? It was a fake out. You see? Okay, we wait and see. I said it. Oh my lord. I said it. I was very bullish on these pairs. Let's see what happens. It's a spike. You see what I said about the spike? Do you see what I say about the spike in the opposite direction? Oh, that's cool. Let's see what happens next. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's looking very bullish now. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see what happens. You see what I said about the initial spike? If it could spike in one direction and go in the opposite direction. You see what I told you guys? So I'm gonna wait to see a stable. Remember, guys, I told you guys to. You see it? There's a spike. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get that bullish momentum or not. Okay, guys, we're still waiting to see what's gonna happen. If you have patience, you are gonna win most of the trade. I told you guys. Okay, the spiking, the spike to the downside. Let us see where it is going to continue. If it's going to continue down. Okay, now the bullish momentum is setting up. Guys, did I not tell you guys? Okay, gold is setting up for the bullish momentum. Let's see. Let's see. I told you guys, if it breaks the psychological level, if we keep going up, then we'll see the possibility. Okay, let us see if we are going to get another candle in the direction of, in that bullish direction. That's a spike, and they have, with that account, that spike, they have damaged a lot, the account of a lot of traders right now. A lot of traders account have been damaged right now. Okay, a lot of traders, aggressive traders, impatient traders, their account have been damaged with that spike. So but we stay safe, we wait and see. What momentum is kicking in slowly. Let us see let us see, guys. We are very bullish, guys. I told you guys we are very bullish. The bullish momentum is going to kick in soon. I'm very bullish in on this pair. On this pair, I'm very bullish to see. Let's wait and see. I want to see the next candle that's going to show up. Which direction? What is going to be looking like? That's where I'm going to start looking for trading opportunities, guys. Okay. Told you guys we are very bullish. We are looking very bullish. My bias is very bullish. Okay, we are setting up for the bullish run. It is setting up slowly. Let's see the next 15 minutes what's going to happen. Guys, timing is, in trading, timing is key. Okay, in trading, timing is key. Timing is, we want to see the next 15 minutes what is going to look like. So that's how we roll, guys. This is Millionaires FX. If you enjoyed the stream, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Okay, guys, give us a like, share this broadcast with your friends, with your groups. Okay, guys, let's do it together. The more we are, the more fun it is, guys. The more fun it is. So I'm looking to see a bullish. Okay, the bullish momentum have kicked in on AUD USD. So now I'm going to get in. Okay, I'm in on AUD USD right now. So, and I'm in. Okay, I'm in on. I want to get in on Euro USD also. Oh, I'm in on gold too. I'm going. I'm putting in. I'm getting in on gold too. You can start buying now, guys. You can start buying now. I told you guys. I told you guys. The platform is hanging right now because the too many orders are coming in. But it's all good. So I'm bullish on all these pairs. I told you guys I'm bullish. The MT4 right now. So I'm bullish and I'm hoping to see that bullish momentum continue. Okay. I'm looking to see that bullish momentum continue, guys. Okay, so do not be scared. This is the time for you to scale it in. Time to make money. It is now. Okay, it is now. If you know how to trade, this is the time to make money. This is the time to get in, guys. This is the time to get in those positions into the market and begin to kill it. Okay, this now you want to start getting in those positions into the market, guys. Okay, this is the time to go long. This is the time. So we wait and see what happens. I'm beginning to put in my positions and I'm waiting to see what happens. The market is just spiking, but I'm still very bullish. Okay, I'm starting to get in my positions on the bullish side. I'm still looking to go long. I'm still betting that we are going to see this market continue the bullish momentum. Okay, guys. I told you guys that I'm very bullish because when I looked at the currency strength meter, the gold, the US dollar was looking very weak. It was looking very flat. There was no energy in it. So I knew that okay, it's a high possibility that we are likely going to see more bullish momentum in the market. So we're going to wait and see what happens, guys. Patience is the game. So we are still very bullish. We are still looking to see some bullish momentum come into this market, guys. Okay, we are hoping to see more bullish momentum step into this market. We are waiting to see what happens. Patience is key, guys. You just have patience and wait, and we'll see what's going to happen. So now I've put in some position in the market in the bullish direction, like I said. I'm gonna wait to see what's gonna happen. If we are gonna be, if we are gonna be, if we are really bullish or not, we'll know. We'll find out. Imagine trading 4 to 5 pairs at the same time. Imagine trading 4 to 5 pairs at the same time. Takes a high level of accuracy to be able to trade like that, guys. To trade 4 5 pairs at the same time, taking trade on 5 pairs at the same time. I'm not advising you to do that, but that's what I'm doing right now. So we wait and see. It's all about patience, guys. We'll know if we are right or wrong. Okay? We'll know if we are right or wrong. So far, Nasdaq has spiked in both directions, and so gold is looking bullish as predicted. It's looking bullish. Let us see if we can be able to see that momentum continue all the way down to all the way up to 1669 as we predicted initially. Let us see if we can get gold to get to 1669. Okay, Let's see if we can get gold up the way to 1669. That's it. That's where I'm looking to that's where I'm betting my money on, guys. Okay, this way I'm betting my money on 1669 gold. Okay, AUD USD. Okay, guys, so we're waiting to see what happens. So, guys, let's be patient. Okay, gold is on fire. Gold is looking very bullish. Okay, guys, this is good. This is good. AUD USD is on fire too. Right now, we are seeing some bullish pressure coming into this market. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, guys. Okay, guys, we are seeing some bullish momentum stepping into this market right now, and this is cool. Okay, guys, we are good. We are good. We are good. We are good. Guys, we are still very bullish. We are looking at gold and we are hoping to see it get to 1669. That's our target for gold. 1669, guys. 1669. 1669. That's where I'm looking at, guys. 1669 for gold, guys. 1669. That's where we're going. That's our target for gold. So Nasdaq is coming up now. We're looking at Nasdaq. Nasdaq have actually broken to the upside. GBP USD is following suit. Euro USD is following suit. AUD USD is following suit, guys. Can you see how we trade this market? This is how real trading is done, guys. This is how real trading is done. This is how real trading is done, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Can you see what we're talking about? This is cool trading, guys. This is Millionaires FX. What we do basically is to print money, guys. The best trading platform anywhere in the world, guys. This is it. We are not bragging. We are not bragging. We are not bragging, guys. We are not. We are not. This is the best trading platform anywhere in the world. We are the best, guys. Okay? We say it and we do it. So now we are in the bullish momentum. I've started to kick in. We are waiting to see what's going to happen. It's going to kick in at the same time on all the pairs. Some are going to kick in faster than others. So we're waiting to see. We're already in the money, guys. Already in the money. Already in the money. Already in the money. I'm going to show you guys my result, and you guys are going to be shocked. I'm going to show you guys the result, and you guys are going to be shocked, guys. It's not about bragging. This is what we call aggressive trading with accuracy, guys. Aggressive trading with high level of accuracy. That's what we're doing here, guys. Not a joke. Oh my lord, this is looking good. This is awesome. Look at the bullish momentum stepping in as predicted, guys. As predicted. As predicted. Everything is happening as predicted, guys. We are going to ride this momentum like crazy today. We're going to ride this momentum. Are you taking this trade, guys? Are you taking this trade? Are you taking this trade? Please, if you enjoy this content, please give us a like. Give us a like. Smash that like button, please. Encourage us to do more, guys. Okay? You can see the bullish momentum coming in. I'm going to show the result, share the result with you guys very soon. Just watch out and see. Watch out and see, guys. Oh my lord. The money is crazy. It's explosive, guys. It's explosive. It's explosive, guys. Oh my lord. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Looking very crazy, guys. I'm telling you, it's crazy. You will see the result is amazingly crazy. All of them is looking crazy. Crazily in the morning now, guys. I will show you guys what is happening here. It is amazing, and all in blues. All in blues, guys. All in blues. All in blues. So we're waiting to see what's going to happen. We're riding it patiently. We're not in a haste, guys. We're not in a haste. Okay, we're going to ride this thing like crazy today. We're going to ride this thing like crazy today. I told you guys what's going to happen, and right, just like I said it, just like I predicted it, it's happening. Just like I analyzed it, it's happening. Okay, and I'm aggressively in the money, guys. I'm aggressively in the money. This is where I got in. I'm aggressively in the money. So just relax and watch what's going to happen. Relax and watch, guys. We're aggressively in the money, guys. So I'm waiting patiently to see what's going to happen. I'm not closing my position at all. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. Very bullish. Very bullish. However, I'm going to share a secret with you guys today, because you're part of the stream. The market is going to make every major changes every 15 minutes. So after every 15 minutes, you're going to see a major change in the market. So I'm going to be waiting to see the next 15 minutes what's going to happen. That this 15 minutes is really aggressive. Then let's see the next 15 minutes. I believe at the end of the 15 minutes, we're going to see more bullish momentum come into this market. That's how they operate. You need to know their footstep, step by step. Okay, guys? You need to understand their footstep, step by step. That's the only way you can be able to beat them. So, guys, that's it. We are waiting, guys. We are waiting to see what's going to happen. We are still very bullish in this market. This is Millionaires FX. Give us a like if you enjoy this content. We are still very bullish. We are waiting to see what's going to happen. Patience is the game. Patience is the game. We're going to wait patiently to see what's going to happen. Okay? What they do is that the market is going to start pushing at the beginning of the 15 minutes interval, and then in the middle is going to start declining in energy, but towards the end the energy is going to come back up, and then we're going to get into the next candle, and just like that it keep going. Now GBP USD have picked up pace, and now Euro USD have also picked up pace, guys. This is awesome, guys. Oh my lord, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, guys. I do not know what to say. I do not know what to say, guys. I do not know what to say. I do not know what to say. Let me show you guys some of the profits. It's starting to. It's now I'm up. The profit is crazy. I'm up $1,200 now. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm waiting for this pairs to all of them to get in the money. By the time we are done here, 15 an hour of trading this, of riding this trend, you're going to see the result, guys. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. I told you guys, I said it, that we are going to see some bullish momentum in this market. They even tried to trick us at some point, but I knew that whenever they start going in, they start looking bearish before the beginning of the news, guys, they are going bullish. That's how they operate. So we're looking at gold to give us 1669. Once we get to 1669, we're going to close it. Nasdaq, we are going to be looking at taking profit at 11,064.93. That's the level we are targeting. So that's where we are going, and we're patiently waiting. GBP USD, we're actually going to be looking at 1.13693 to take profit. I don't want to be greedy, but this is the minimum we're going to be expecting. At least we should get to this bank zone. If we hit this bank zone and break it, then we are going to be looking at this level. So once we get to any of this level, I'm going to be taking partial profits, guys. I'm going to be taking partial profits. As it is going, I'm going to be taking partial profits along the way. I'm not going to be leaving money on the table. No, 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 no. Okay, guys. I'm going to be taking partial profit as the market is running in profit. I'm going to be taking partials. I don't like to leave money on the table. You cannot trust these guys. Okay, you can't trust them with your money. They can actually shock you. Okay, guys, they can actually shock you. So no leaving money on the table. Once we see good profit, I'm taking it out of the market immediately. I'm not gonna wait for anything. So guys, we are patiently waiting for this market to do its thing. Patiently waiting. This is the best platform, the best trading platform. Okay, aggressive trading. That's what I just did right now. Aggressive trading. So guys, that's what I just did right now. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna wait and see. The next 15 minutes is kicking in. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're seeing some decline on gold. So seeing some decline on gold. But I do not believe that's a decline, that's a manipulation. At the end of this 15 minutes, we're likely going to see some bullish momentum coming again. Okay, we're observing the market closely to see what's going to happen. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish. We've not even done up to 20 pips on each of them. Only gold. I think only gold I've done up to 20 pips. I've done more than that. So, and AUD USD, the rest are still later going to kick in. The momentum is going to kick in later because all these pairs, they have different, their strength is different. So their momentum is going to be kicking in slowly, individually. Okay, so we're going to wait patiently to allow the momentum to kick in. Patience is key, guys. Once you take the position, you don't mess with it. You allow it to run. You allow it to run. You allow it to run. Allow it to do its thing. So what you have to pay attention to is to wait for it to get to the place you want it to get to. Your take profits, the levels you're targeting. Okay, I told you guys that at the end of the 15 minutes, can you see gold right now? At the end of the 15 minutes, it is beginning to pick up momentum again. Do you see it? That 15 minutes after the 15 minutes begun, it started to look like it was going to go bearish, and then at the end of the 15 minutes, look at it, it's beginning to pick momentum again, and it's beginning to trend again. This is the manipulation that they use to take money from the retail traders. This market is on fire, guys. This market is on fire. Let me show. I'm going to share my profit with you guys so that you see. Okay, I'm going to share my profit with you guys so that you see. No problem. I'm going to share my profit with you guys so that you see how much profit we have made so far. Now I'm up $2,000. I'm not done yet. $2,000. I'm not all done yet, guys. I'm not done yet. I'm up $2,000. I'm not done yet. We're still waiting for this market to do its thing. Oh my lord, the market is on fire. It's still bullish momentum is still kicking in again, and now the market is looking very strong. So the next 15 minutes, we are hoping to see some bullish momentum again, kicking again, so that we can continue to ride this thing to the upside. So we're not going anywhere. Our job is to stay put and thank you, man. Thank you. Puriran. Thank you. I'm gonna do more. If you guys keep encouraging me, if you like and subscribe to my channel, gives me some thumbs up, I'm going to do more live stream during the news, and I'm going to show you how they manipulate the market in order to catch the retail traders. Okay, if I show you the secrets at the end of this is 56, it's 4 minutes to the end of the 15 minutes. At the next 15 minutes, they are going to kick in with more momentum in the market. Sometimes they're going to manipulate the market for 15 minutes or 30 minutes so that to scare the retail traders out of the market, and then they are going to kick the market. The market is going to keep going up. But then you have already closed your position because you are scared. There's no need to FOMO. There's no need to be scared. At this point, I'm already in the money. The worst that can happen is I can go out at break even. Okay, guys? I'm already in the money, $2,000 up in profit. And I'm going to wait. Okay? I'm going to wait for this market to continue. The worst that can happen is I can walk away at break even. That's the worst case scenario at this point, because I already know that I'm in the money. Now I have the advantage. I don't have to rush anymore or to be scared. All I'm going to do is, as this trade is running, I'm going to keep taking profit. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. As this trade is running, I'm going to keep taking. I'm not going to leave money on the table. You cannot trust these guys with your money. They are not nice. Okay, don't trust these guys with your money. You must learn to take profit along the way. So guys, We are still up in the money. You can see GBP USD is still in the money. It's still looking good. Once I get to the bank zone, guys, that is where I'm going to start taking profit. Once I get to the bank zones, I'm going to start taking profit. Let me show you guys my profit right now. How much more profit I've made. $3,600 up in $3,800 in $4,000 in profit right now. $4,000. Okay, now we're back at 3,600. 3839 $4,000 in profit right now. I've shared with you guys 4,600, 4,700. Oh my lord, this is crazy, guys. This is aggressive trading. I told you guys. Okay, let's hit 5,000. Then I'm going to share the screen with you guys again. $4,400 right now. So guys, that is it, guys. That is it. I'm going to wait. We're going to write this thing together, guys. We're going to write it 4,500, 46, 47. Once we hit $5,000, I'm going to start taking profit out of this market. So guys, that's it. Once we hit $5,000, I'm going to start taking profit. Okay, guys. Oh my lord, AUD USD is on fire. NASD, all of them are on fire. Gold is on fire, guys. I'm sure I must have hit $5,000 right now. So let's see. Okay, still at 4,000. Still at over 4,000. I'm still waiting. I'm still riding the shit, guys. I'm going to start taking profit soon. Okay, this is the next 15 minutes candle is coming in. Let's see what's going to happen. If it's looking bearish, then I'm going to start banking in some profit. At least I want to start taking profit on AUD USD because it has given me a lot of pips. I want to start closing some positions on AUD USD, guys. I'm in crazy $5,000 now. $5,000 right now. So guys, this is live trading, guys. This is not I'm closing my AUD USD in profit now, $5,300. I'm going to be closing some of them and I'm going to leave some position open. Okay, guys. So I've closed 2 positions on AUD USD. I'm going to write the rest down. So I'm still up in profit $4,700 right now. $4,800 right now in profit. 4,000. So we're still going, guys. So I've already started taking profit out of this market and I'm waiting to see what's going to happen, guys. If you know how to do this shit, you're going to kill this market every day. If you like this stream, guys, please give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. I told you guys that the news always follow the structure. The news will always follow the structure, guys. The news will always follow the structure. Okay, the news will always follow the structure. When I saw the structure set up, I knew it was a bullish structure. But then they had to stop on people to the downside. They begin to go to the, like, they are going to sell this market. That's how they trick the retail traders. The retail traders are going to start selling this market, and they are hoping that this market is going to be is going to keep is going to sell. While in reality, the market is actually going to buy. They are looking to go bullish. Sorry, they are looking to go bullish. So we are still in this market. We are waiting confidently. We are still waiting. I'm up almost $5,000, $5,300 up in profit. I've taken some positions. I've taken over $1,000 out of this market. I took some profit on AUD USD. If you're in this market with me, guys, share your result with me, please. That's all you can do for me. Join Millionaires FX. The link is on the description below. Use the link to join us, guys. Use the link to join us. Join Millionaires FX. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. This is the best trading platform for anywhere in the world, guys. I can bet anything on it, guys. The news always follow the structure. I always say it, that the news always follow the structure. Okay, the news always follow the structure. The news will always follow the structure of the market. We are still in the money, guys. We are still in the money. 5 pairs. I'm trading 5 pairs at the same time, guys. 5 good pairs at the same time. Not even your guru can do it. Most guru cannot trade more than 1 pair at a point. I trade 5. Right? I'm trading 5 pairs at the same time, and I'm in profit in all of them. So we're riding this thing all the way up. So I'm still riding this thing. Okay, we are still in profit. Let me show you guys my profit now. $6,300. Let me take a screenshot so that I can show you guys the profit. We are now up 6,000. We are up $6,000 right now. This is it, guys. I'm up 6,000 over $6,000 in profit right now. So we're still riding this shit. I want to start taking profit on gold. I want to take out some profit on gold. Gold have done a lot of pips, so I want to start taking profit on gold. I want to close some positions. Don't leave money on the table. We are up over $6,000, $6,400 right now. So I want to start closing gold. I want to close out some positions on gold, and then I'm going to let the rest to ride. So I've closed some positions on gold. I'm still riding the rest. So on GBP, I'm still up almost $5,000. I've closed some position on gold. Okay, I'm still riding this thing up. So Euro USD, I'm still riding Euro USD to the upside. I'm still riding it. We are up 4,800, almost $5,000 now. Over $5,200 in profit right now. We are still riding this shit, guys. I tell you guys, this is the place to be. Okay, you join me. We do it like we used to. We trade it together, guys. I'm telling you, hold your positions. We are still going upwards. The market is not going anywhere. So I'm going to start closing up some positions, more positions. Nasdaq is looking very weak today. I don't know the reason why. I want to start closing some position on Euro USD, guys. Okay, I'm in crazy profit right now, so I'm going to start closing some positions on Euro USD. Make sure you are securing the profits as it is going up. Do not leave money on the table, guys. Do not leave money on the table. It's very risky to leave money on the table. We are up in crazy profit on Nasdaq, and I was hoping that Nasdaq could run even further. So I want to close some positions on Nasdaq. So I'm still up almost $4,000 now. Okay, guys, this is what we call aggressive trading. This is what we call aggressive trading, guys. Aggressive trading. I'm up $4,000. I've closed a lot of positions, and I'm still up $4,000. Okay, 5 pairs at the same time. I'm trading 5 pairs at the same time. 5 pairs at the same. You can see Euro USD is still in crazy profit. It's still flying high. You can see GBP USD. It is still flying high. All of them flying high. Oh my lord, this is crazy, man. I told you guys that the news is going to follow the setup. The news is going to follow the setup. I told you guys. So the more it's going, we're going to keep taking profits. We're going to allow it to do some pullbacks, and then the market is going to continue its move to the upside. So this is Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform. What they're going to do right now, this is the middle of another 15 minutes. They're going to manipulate the market a little bit, but at the end of the 15 minutes again, the market is going to start pushing to the upside again. The momentum is going to kick in. This is the manipulation that they use to trick the retail traders to close their positions on time. Okay, you see, I keep taking profit and I still leave the positions, some positions to run. I've taken 50% profit and then I allow them to run. Okay, not all of them. Pairs like Nasdaq, I've only taken about 30% profit. GBP USD, I've not taken profit at all, because I know that there's a possibility, there's a high possibility that we're going to see the bank zone at 1.13114. If we see 1.13114, I'm going to take profit on GBP USD. And I'm going to share the screenshot. I'm going to share the result with you. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to share the result with you. I'm going to share the result with you. Don't worry. I'm going to share the result with you. All of them. I'm going to share the result with you. I'm going to share the result with you guys so that you guys can see it. I'm going to share the result with you guys. Don't worry. So that you guys can see that it is real. We are still in the money, guys. We're still in massive profit, guys. I'm still up almost $5,000. I'm still holding my position. I told you guys it's gonna keep flying. I told you guys it's gonna keep flying. So watch out, guys. Watch out how this thing works. So I'm gonna show you guys the results so that you're gonna see it. I'm gonna show you guys how we roll, how we roll, how we roll. So calm down, guys. Just watch and see what happens. I'm gonna show you guys the results. So I'm gonna try to share my screen so that you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? This is Millionaires FX and I'm sharing my screen with you guys so that you guys can see it right now. Can you guys see it? This is it. I'm up $6,400 before I started to take profit. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. Can you see it? Can you see, guys? I'm sharing the result with you guys so you can see the result. I'm still in the money. I've not taken closed all my position. Can you see it, guys? Crazily, we are still in the money. We are not closed everything. I'm still in the profit. I'm going to show you guys what is remaining in the position that is remaining. I'm going to show you guys how much profit we are up now. We are still up $4,000 now. We are still waiting. We are still up $4,000. We are still waiting, guys. We are still up $4,000. Very soon, this is where the magic is done, guys. This is how you trade the news. This is how to trade the news, guys. Okay. So this is it, guys. 5 pairs, 5 kill. This is how we roll, guys. 5 pair, 5 kill. 5 pairs, 5 kill, guys. We are still in the money. I'm not saying that we are done. No, we are still in the money. Dollars. I've taken partials. I'm still up almost $5,000. Are you in this money with me, guys? You can be looking at the level. Hold on your trade. Do not close it, guys. Hold on your position. Do not close it. Do not close your positions until I close mine. Do not close your positions until I close mine. Do not close your positions, guys, until I close mine, guys. We are together on this. We are doing it together. Do not close your positions, guys. Okay? We are still riding this shit, guys. We are riding it to the moon. We are riding it to the moon, guys. We are riding this to the moon. Oh my lord, I'm in crazy profit again. I'm up $5,000 again. Again. I'm going to show you guys the profit when I'm done. I'm going to show you guys how much money I made in this single trade. I'm up again $5,000 despite the fact that I've taken partials. I've taken a lot of profit out of the market. I'm up again. I'm up again in the money. Okay, so I've taken partials and I'm still in the money, guys. So this is NFP, guys. This is NFP, baby. If you are making money, please share your screenshot with me, guys. If you make money from this analysis, please share your screen for me. Share these brokers, please, and then subscribe to this channel to encourage us to do more. So we are still up in the money. Share these brokers, guys. Share these brokers. Share these brokers. Share these brokers, guys. We are still in the money, guys. We are still holding our position. I told you guys that AUD USD, we are looking at this bank zone at 0.64919. That's where we are going. AUD USD, the bank zone. However, make sure you are taking profits on the way. Euro USD is still flying, guys. It's almost okay. It's at a significant structural level right now. But I do not think that the momentum is done. No, it is still flying. GBP USD is still flying. Nasdaq is still flying. Gold, I want to start closing all my position in gold because gold is almost there at the take profit level right now. So I'm going to close my position on gold. I want to start closing. I'm up in good profits in gold, so I want to close my position again. So I'm still up over $3,500 up. I've closed all my positions on gold. So now we are going to get the next 15 minutes candle is going to still show us. We might get one 15 minutes candle that is going to be bearish. Okay, it's going to scare people to close their positions. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close partials on GBP USD because I want to be taking money out. I'm up over $4,000 now. I want to be closing partials on GBP USD. I want to be closing partials on GBP USD right now. So I've closed partials on GBP USD. I'm closing partials on Nasdaq too. Be taking money out of the table, guys. Do not leave money lying around in the market. You cannot trust these guys with your money. Okay, guys. I've made crazy money. I'm going to show you my profit, guys. When I'm done, I'm going to show you my profit today. Oh, really? Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm going to remove that right now. So, guys, can you see the chart right now? Sorry, guys. We are still up in the money right now. Can you see the chart? Please give me a comment if you see the charts. Can you see the chart right now? So we keep going. So we keep going, guys. We are still waiting to see what's gonna happen. We are still waiting. We are still riding this shit. So now I've taken almost all my profits on gold. Hmm? Yeah. Guys, we're waiting to see. Euro USD is gonna give up. Gold is almost at the psychological level we are targeting. Okay, guys, it's almost at the psychological level we are targeting, guys. So we are still in the money, guys. I have not closed all my position yet. I'm still holding, but I've taken good good profit out of the market, guys. I've taken good profit out of the market. I've taken good profit out of the market. So do not leave money laying around on the in the market, guys. These guys can be very crazy. You cannot trust them with your money, guys. Make sure you are taking profits out of the market. Make sure. Very important. As it is running, you are taking profits, but you're already in good profit. So we are already in good profit right now. So this is awesome, guys. So we are still in profit. We are still in good profit. We are still riding this shit. We're riding it to heaven, guys, or wherever it is going. We're riding it. We do not care. So we're going to see some kind of reaction. Let us see. So I'm going to be closing some of my position on Euro USD. I've taken almost 75% of all my profits. Taking almost 75%. I'm leaving about 25% each on the table right now. I'm leaving about 25% each on the table. I'm leaving about 25% each. So if you take this trade and you took any of this trade, I took 5 pairs and I've posted the result. I hope you guys saw the result. I've posted the result out there so that you can see it and confirm that it is not audio, it is real. I'm trading it live with you guys. So right now, the next 15 minutes, we are likely going to see some kind of reaction, some kind of bearish reaction, maybe 15 or 30 minutes. After that, the bullish momentum is going to continue again. That was the reason why I took out some profit from the market. Okay, guys, that was the reason why I took some profit in the market. Actually, I've actually closed Nasdaq. It's 75% of Nasdaq trade is closed. Okay, guys, 75% of Nasdaq is closed. So I'm holding the remaining ones to ride it to wherever it is going. I'm riding it to wherever it is going. I'm going to ride it all the way up. So we're going to wait to see what's going to happen with the rest. I'm going to show you guys how much profit I made from this trade after I'm done. The right way to trade the NFP, guys. The right way to trade the NFP. That's what I'm going to show you guys. The right way to trade the NFP. So we see. We are not in a haste. We are there. We are watching. Gold is on fire, guys. Gold is on fire. Can you see the gold charts? Can you see gold? Gold is on fire, guys. I told you guys when we started that it's going to happen. Gold is on fire, guys. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, encourage us to come back here every time to give you more valuable great trades. Live trading, we're trading it live as you're seeing it in real time, guys. This trade is taken in real time. It is live. Okay, so I want you to know that you can do it. You just have to follow who know how to do it. Okay, this is 5 pairs. 5 pairs, that's what I took. I took 5 trades on 5 pairs, and this is how much money I've been able to make. And then you can see this is NFP live trading, not it's not a previous video. No, it's not a recorded broadcast. This is live trading. I'm trading it live as you're watching me right now. So give us a like if you enjoy the content. Give us a like. It encourages me to do more. Okay, how to join you can join my free Telegram. You can join the link is on the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Encourage us to do more. Okay, you can join our Telegram. I'm going to send the link of the Discord to the Telegram. Okay, maybe I can do that later to upload the Telegram the Discord link so that you can join. This is live trading, guys. This is live. I told you guys the next 15 minutes is going to be some kind of correction. The market is going to retrace 15 or 30 minutes, then the bullish momentum is going to continue. Okay, but make sure you are taking profit. I have already taken about 75% profit out of this market, so now I am messing around with the remaining 25%. Whatever they are doing, I don't care. You can join the free telegram. Join our free telegram using the link on the description below. Join our free telegram. Okay, use the link on the description below. You can see the free the logo of the telegram there. Just join it there. Okay, you can. We also have an inner circle where I train traders one-on-one. If you want to become a professional trader, you want to trade like this, you can be a part of Millionaires FX. We have an inner circle, and then we have the 1 minute this thing, scalping strategy that is crazy right now. That's the crazy one. Yesterday I was able to make $1,500 in a couple of hours scalping the 1 minute scalping the market with the 1 minute strategy. Go and check it. The link is also on the description below. Okay, guys, so I'm going to drop the telegram link or the Discord link for those who want to join. You can join the free Discord using this link. If you want me to train you one-on-one, I can train you one-on-one to be a badass trader. Okay, I can train you one-on-one to be a badass trader. You can send me a message, a private message, to show you. You can actually talk to me one-on-one to show you how to join the inner circle. You can be a part of the inner circle. You can join the inner circle. That's where we mold traders. That's where we mold traders, people who want to become professional traders. We can mold you. We can teach you how we trade this market, how we find setups in this market, and how we trade, how to win consistently in this market. Okay, guys, I'm still in profit. I've taken over 75% profit out of this market because I knew that this market is going to give us retracement for at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes of retracement. Then we are going to see that bullish momentum continue in the upward, in the bullish direction. Okay, guys. So the bullish momentum is going to continue, but we're going to get some retracement first, some kind of correction. The market is going to correct for like 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Then the market is going to continue that bullish momentum. Right now, our target for gold is 1669. I told you guys that's my target for gold. That's the next psychological level, bank zone, and after that level I'm looking at the trend line. So when it gets to this psychological level, I'm closing everything. So Nasdaq, I have closed most of my position. I have only one position, but Nasdaq is going to break the psychological level at 10880. So once we break 10880, I'm going to be targeting to take profit. The next zone I'm going to be targeting is 11057.66. That's the next zone I'm going to be looking to take profit from. So that's where I'm looking at on Nasdaq. That's the level I'm looking at on Nasdaq. Okay, so I'm holding my Nasdaq trade. I'm not closing yet. You want to get the risk reward ratio. That's where you make money. The risk to reward, that's where you make money, guys. That's where you can make money from. Okay, this is what we call aggressive trading. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Then for GBP USD, we are going to hold it. The first bank zone, the next bank zone we are going to be looking at is at 1.13166. That's where we're going to be looking to close the positions. But right now the market is actually doing some kind of corrections. After the correction, the market is going to continue. New York open in 3 minutes. Exactly, bro. Exactly. There's going to be some corrections. Guys. There's going to be some corrections. After the correction, the market is going to continue to the upside. If you want to get the 1 minute scalping indicator, you have to be a part of Millionaires FX. You don't have to be a part of the inner circle. It is free if you're part of the inner circle. If you want to if you want to get the 1 minute scalping strategy, the indicator, you have to. It is free for everyone that's a member of Millionaires FX inner circle. So just DM me after this broadcast. I'm going to tell you how to be a part of our inner circle. If you join our inner circle, you can actually get the indicator for free. The badass indicator that is making money for a lot of people. That indicator is making money for a lot of people. I used that indicator yesterday to make $1,500 in few hours. So after this, once you are after this live broadcast, DM me. I'm going to send you. I'm going to show you how to join the inner circle. The inner circle are those people that I'm training. I'm training them one-on-one to become consistently profitable trader. So if you want me to train you one-on-one, that's where that's why you should join the inner circle. When you join the inner circle, I am going to give you the indicator. You're going to get the indicator for free. Everybody that is part of the inner circle gets the indicator for free, because we are going to teach you how we can catch this big trend, how we ride big trends. Okay, we show you how we ride big trends. Not only that, this trend you see, guys, this particular trend you see that we're trading right now, this trend is not over yet. There's going to be a correction, and this trend is going to continue, and we're going to ride this trend until I'm having 25% of my position open right now. I'm going to continue to ride this trend until it makes a lot of money. When gold gets to our psychological level at 1669, I'm going to close gold completely, because after that, if it manages to get to the next psychological level, which is around 1674.95, it is going to get, we are going to get a retracement. So you want to take your profit when you have the highest you want to take the profit, your profit at the highest level. When you get the highest level, that's where you want to take your profit. Okay, guys. So on Nasdaq is still looking very, very bullish. This is a new trend that just begun. So it's not like we're going to close this position after. That's the reason why I left 25% of my position open. The 25% of my position is going to be open. I'm not closing it today. It's going to be there. 25% of my position, I'm not going to close it, guys. It's going to continue to be there, guys. Okay? 25% of my position is going to be open. I'm not going to close it at all. It's going to be there. So I'm going to ride this trend. I'm going to continue to ride this trend even after NFP. I'm going to continue to ride the trend, and I'm going to be giving updates on Millionaires FX, on the general group, on how to on the levels to look at for the retracement, so that you can add more positions. This particular trend, I'm going to ride it, and I'm still going to ride it for a couple of days, and then I'm going to also add more positions to it, guys. I'm going to add more positions to it. So this particular news that happens, it always happens like this every time. The news always follow the structure. If you understand the structure, when the news follow the structure, you follow the structure, and you will see that most of the times, 9 or 8 over 10 of the time, you're going to be correct. Okay, guys. I only trade high impact news. I like to trade the high impact news, like the non-farm payroll. That is what I like to trade. Okay, so the non-farm payroll is a good pair to trade because it's high impact news. So it can make us a lot of money in the shortest possible time. So right now I've taken over 75% of my profit, and I'm leaving the rest because this is a new trend that I'm going to start to ride. You guys don't understand what is happening here in this game. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to try to explain to you what's happening. You see on gold, they have been riding this thing to the downside for a long time, and this market have been respecting this trend for a long time. Look at this trend. This market have been respecting this trend. Last week we caught this move to the downside. You see this move we caught to the downside. We rode this very well. We rode it all the way down, and then when it broke out, it started a new trend. What happened was that it actually came down to this same trend again. This trend I've been holding. It came here and retested from there. It came back again to retest the trend. Now it came back again. How to set up 1 minute scalping indicator. We're going to talk about that after the live session, guys. So what happened is that this market is actually when it got to this point, it got to a very critical point. So the question is it going to break to the downside, or it is going to continue to the upside? I knew that for the fact that this market did not set up to break to the downside, it would have broken out and look very bearish. If it would have given us a bearish structure, maybe break out of this trend line, and then you are going to see something like a consolidation, and then waiting to break out to the downside. And then there was nothing like that. So what we saw was just a retracement. I knew that, okay, this market was actually consolidating in order to gather momentum to be able to break this level. So, and that's exactly what happened. So that was why we went long. And then look at what happened on Nasdaq also. Look at what happened on Nasdaq also. What happened on Nasdaq is going to shock you, because what happened on Nasdaq is going to shock you because, guys, the same setup also. It actually tested this low from yesterday, came and opened near the low of yesterday. So I knew that this market, that's what we call the market correlation, guys. That's what we call the market correlation. The market, because the USD, these pairs that I'm trading, they are all grouped under one pair. They are all trading against the USD. Okay, they are all trading against the USD, and because they are trading against the USD, they are also going to behave in one way. When the USD have a lot of strength, you're going to see a bearish move. But when it doesn't, you're going to see a bullish move. So I already knew that this is exactly what's going to happen. So because I had the confirmation from GBP USD, which have also broken the structure of, which have broken the rectangular structure, and also the trend line structure, and also broken the rectangular structure, which means that what we're going to see is a bullish momentum. Okay, guys, so Euro USD 2, the same thing. So when I saw that the correlation on these pairs are the same, I knew that we're going to see some bullish momentum in this market. So that is the reason why I actually decided to go long. So I'm still in profit over $1,000. So I'm still in profit over 1,000, and this ones I'm not going to close it. I'm actually going to set a stop loss, and I'm going to wait and begin to ride this one all the way up. That is how we roll on Millionaires FX, guys. Millionaires FX is the finest trading platform you can find anywhere in the world. I already say it because we trade the market the way it is, and if you want to learn how we trade this market, all you have to do is to join us. Okay, all you have to do is to join us, guys. Okay, guys, so join us, join our free Discord, join our free Telegram group. If you want to be a part of the inner circle, send me a private message in the description, and I'm going to help you to get started. I'm going to share the 1 minute scalping strategy with you that is going to make you insane amount of money. The 1 minute scalping strategy is going to make you insane amount of money. Trust me. You can take that to the bank. I said it. You can take it to the bank. So the 1 minute scalping strategy is going to make you insane amount of money. So, guys, I'm still holding my positions. I'm not closing them. I am not closing my positions, guys. Instead, I'm going to set a stop loss, and then I'm going to ride this thing to the moon. I'm riding it to the moon, guys. I'm setting a stop loss to ride the rest to the moon. I'm not closing my position. So that's it, guys. We keep going. I'm still riding it. There's going to be a manipulation. I told you guys, 15 minutes or 30 minutes of manipulation, and that's it. Then the trend is going to continue. Okay, so that was New York. That was I don't care. Whatever is going, we ride it to. If it's going to Mars, we ride it to Mars, guys. We ride it to Mars, nigga. We ride it to Mars, brother. We ride it to Mars. The only one I'm not going to ride, I'm skeptical about is Nasdaq. Okay, guys. The only one I'm not skeptical about is Nasdaq. Okay, guys. Only Nasdaq. I'm skeptical about Nasdaq. The rest is we're going to ride it to the moon. but Nasdaq is going to play out, but it's going to take some time to set up. Okay, it's going to take some time to set up, but the rest I can vouch for the rest that they are going to play out as expected. 100%, 100%, minus Nasdaq. That's the only one I cannot vouch for that it is going to play out. The rest is going to play out. So I've taken all profits on most of these pairs, and I'm going to wait to see what's going to happen, because I'm not in a haste to close this trade right now, because I've taken over 75% profit, and now I'm willing to risk the remaining 25 to see what's going to happen. Okay, if it happens, that means we still make more money in this market. Okay, guys, so that's it. This simple trading 101, the simplest form of trading, guys. We have simplified trading in Millionaires FX. In a couple of steps, you can begin to make a lot of money from this market like there's no tomorrow. I told you guys there's going to be manipulation for like 15, so for like 30 to 30 minutes. We don't care. There's going to be manipulation. We are going to wait it out. After the manipulation, the trend is going to continue. Okay, that is the reason why I've taken about 75% profit out of this market, so that if it goes against me, no problem. I've already made enough money from this market, so if it goes against me, no problem. Okay, the ones that is remaining, I've decided to sacrifice it for for more profit. Okay, guys, I've decided to sacrifice it for more profit, so no problem. If you continue to go against me, no problem, because the one that is remaining, I've decided to sacrifice it, guys. So guys, this is Millionaires FX. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you enjoyed the stream, guys. I All I did was to move my stop to break even. All I did was to move my stop to break even, and then I'm going to ride this thing to the moon. If it's going to Mars, we are going to ride it to Mars, guys. Okay, so I like to ride big trend. If you want to learn how to ride big trends, join Millionaires FX, and you're going to begin to ride big trends like us. So guys, we keep riding this thing. We keep riding it. I told you there's going to be manipulations, guys. If you send me a message, a private message, I'm gonna respond to you after this broadcast. Okay, I'm gonna send you a message after this broadcast. I'm gonna respond to you after this broadcast. Please bear with me. I'm still streaming. After this broadcast, I'm gonna respond to you. So a new trend just begun. A new trend just begun. I'm gonna explain this to you. If you're a part of Millionaires FX, they understand what I mean by a new trend is about. It's just begun right now. But the Nasdaq trend have not have not um, have not begun. The Nasdaq is continuing to the downside. It is still very bearish. So I'm going to check the currency strength meter to see. Okay, guys. So that was how we traded I've taken 75% profit. The remaining one, I'm willing to sacrifice it to see what's going to happen in this market, because we have already made crazy money from this market. We're going to wait it out. They're going to manipulate this market for maybe the next 30 or 45 minutes to the downside, and then the market is going to continue to the upside. So what I see right now in the market is that Nasdaq is bearish, guys. I'm giving a new signal on Nasdaq now. Nasdaq is very bearish, guys. Nasdaq is bearish now. I think Nasdaq is bearish, guys. I'm dropping a new signal on Nasdaq right now. So I'm riding Nasdaq. Nasdaq is very bearish, so I'm riding Nasdaq to the downside. I just opened some positions on Nasdaq and I'm going to ride it to the downside. I'm seeing that Nasdaq is looking very bearish. I'm going to open some positions on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is bearish now. I'm seeing something new on Nasdaq. Okay. Okay. So Nasdaq is looking very bearish, guys. So we're going to wait for Nasdaq. Take some trades on Nasdaq. Um, Nasdaq is looking very bearish. I'm very bearish on Nasdaq. But if you ask me, I think that we should wait and see what happens with Nasdaq. I want to wait it out because Nasdaq have begun to show some consolidation, like it's not going anywhere. It's showing some consolidation. Okay, it is showing some consolidation that is not going. Yeah, Nasdaq is nasty. Yeah, very nasty. I got nothing to lose. I already take all my close all my position on Nasdaq. I've already closed all my position on Nasdaq, so I don't have any problem with Nasdaq. We can do whatever it likes. However, I'm keep an eye on it. I'm going to drop a signal on Nasdaq when it is clearer. I want to see a clear breakout from that structure. Okay, guys, I want to see this Nasdaq. Look at this. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing on Nasdaq. I want to see Nasdaq break this structure. This is a rectangular structure here, guys. I want to see Nasdaq break this structure, and then we are going to ride it to the upside again. We're going to ride it to the moon. Sorry, that's the planet again? Mars. We're going to ride it to Mars again. So I'm watching Nasdaq now. If it goes, if it breaks above this structure, it was doing like it was bearish. I was waiting to see if it was going to break this level at this bank zone at 1070.07.0. That level I was seeing to, if it's broke it, that means we are going bearish. That means we are going bearish. We continue. That means this bearish trend is not done yet. We're going to continue the bearish trend. In fact, it's a good entry for a bearish trend. Okay, yeah, but if it breaks above it, then we are going to ride this thing to the moon again. We are going to ride it all the way up again. So stay put. I'm going to drop a signal on Nasdaq very soon. I'm keeping an eye on it. So I'm waiting to see if it's good. If it breaks this structure now, that means it is bearish. We that's the signal. That means we continue to ride it to the downside. That means that's because if you look at the structure on the 30 minutes, if you look at the structure on the 30 minutes, if you look at the structure on the 30 minutes, you will see that what it have done is to break a structure. It have created a new high and have gone back to retest the previous high. Sorry, it have created a new low and have gone back to retest the previous low. Now it is looking like it wants to continue that move to the downside. So this level is a very significant level. If it breaks below this structure, that is the entry. Okay, that is the entry for a bearish run on Nasdaq. So I'm watching Nasdaq to see what's going to happen. I'm watching Nasdaq to see what's going to happen. So far we had a great trade. 5 pairs, 5 wins. Crazy profit, crazy profit, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how we roll in Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform. I would have done a scalp, our 1 minute 1 minute strategy, 1 minute scalping strategy. I'm gonna do a video. Yeah, exactly. That's low is a very significant low. Exactly, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That low is a very significant low. That particular level, yeah, that low, that bank zone, that level is very strong. So I'm gonna see what's gonna happen at that level. If it breaks below that level, then we can know that it's game over to the downside. It's game over to the downside. It's game over to the, because it's respecting a structure. It's respecting a structure. This level is a structure. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. You know how you use those stuff, and so, and I think it's gonna break it. It's looking like it's gonna break it, guys. Okay, that means we are going short on Nasdaq. Nasdaq short. If it breaks it, Nasdaq short confirmed. Okay, guys. If it breaks it, Nasdaq short confirmed. Okay, guys, you can get in on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is about to break it. Nasdaq is about to break it. Let's get in on Nasdaq. If it breaks it, that's it. I'm watching it closely to see if it's going to break it. If it break it, that is it, guys. It's at a very significant level right now, and that level is very, very significant. I want to see if it's going to break. If it breaks it, I'm going to get in. If it doesn't, however, do not be the first to get in. You want to be a little bit patient to see. Okay, I'm watching it on the 1 minute chart to see if it's going to break it or not. So it is looking like it's going to break it, but if you break it, that is game over. That means we're going to get in into that chart, and we're going to make some money again, guys. So on this particular this thing, I'm going to show you how much I made on this particular trade today. I'm going to show you how much I made. I made over $6,000. Over $6,000 I made in this trade. Over 6K I made in this trade, guys. Over $6,000 I made in this one single on these 5 pairs. Over 6,000. I still have some pairs running. 75% closed with $6,000 profit. 75% closed with $6,000 profit. So, guys, this is good. This is amazing. I told you guys that Nasdaq, if it breaks that bank zone, it is game over. It means that we are going to get into that trade and we're going to kill it. So, guys, there's a manipulation going on right now. There's a manipulation going on right now. And the market, we have to wait it out, guys. Wait it out. I've already taken the major profit out of the market. 75% gone. I'm now playing with 25%. If it plays out, fine. If it doesn't, who cares? That's how you trade this market, guys. Really, don't worry. Next time you're gonna get. Don't worry. We always get great trades. I'm gonna post more signals. You're gonna trade. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Next time you're gonna trade with us. No problem, guys. No problem, bro. It's okay. Family is important. Yeah, of course there will be more chance in the future. No need to panic or get mad because you missed the trade. No, there's no reason for that. Family is important, bro. More trade is going to come. More trade is going to come. Trust me, I'm going to give you a lot of valuable content. As far as you're part of Millionaires FX, you are going to enjoy this particular platform. That I can tell you for sure. There's going to be manipulations. After the manipulation, the trade is going to continue to the upside. They are trying to force you to close your positions. I am not going to close it. I'm going to hold it the last 25% to see what's going to happen. I want to gamble with the last 25% and see what's going to happen, because I believe strongly that we are going to see more bullish momentum in this market, guys. So I believe that we are going to see more bullish momentum in this market. Please share this broadcast. Share it with your friends. Share this broadcast with your friends. I made over $6,000, and now I still have some trade running. I'm still holding 25%, and I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with that 25%. So, guys, if you want to take a re-entry on this pair, If you want to take a re-entry on this pair, you're going to wait for it to get to a significant structure. If you find a significant structural level, then you can think of getting in again from there. However, I've had enough for today. Don't be greedy. I've had enough for today. Do not be greedy. So take your profits and enjoy it. There will always be more opportunities to make money, guys. There will always be more opportunities to make money. Of course, of course, of course, of course. So gold is still looking very bullish. You can see gold right now. Gold is still firing to the upside. I told you guys that after the manipulation, listen, look at the candles there on gold. It is two red candles. That is 30 minutes of manipulation. 30 minutes of manipulations. If you stay here and listen to me, you're going to be learning great things. Learning a lot of, you're going to be getting a lot of valuable insights about trading from me. Because most of the things that you need to know about trading is in the is while I'm talking. You're going to be learning a lot of stuff. So you can see gold. You can see gold. It is looking very, very bullish. Again, it have started the bullish momentum again. I told you guys that they are going to do the manipulation for a while, and they've done it for 30 minutes. They did it for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and now they have started the bullish move have resumed again. So now Nasdaq is going back up, GBP USD is going back up, AUD USD, all of them, they are all going back up, and I'm still holding 25% of my positions. I'm still holding. I want to see what's going to happen because I know how these people behave. If you understand how they behave, you can be able to catch them by the balls at all times. Okay, I'm not saying sometimes. I said at all times you can be able to catch them at the balls. When you don't understand what's going to happen, stay away from the market. If I don't understand what's going to happen in the market, what do? I stay away from the market. What I did was that I analyzed the pairs individually, and then I found the pairs that have correlation, the ones that are looking alike. From there, I made the general conclusion that for the fact that gold was looking bullish, Euro USD was looking bullish, all other pairs were looking bullish too, because this pair, they behave alike. They are always behaving alike. So you can learn that from me today. You can go into the market and make a lot of money. It is possible for you to have a high win rate, for you to lose little or nothing from this market and make consistent profits on a daily. I'm going to share the results of all the profit I've made at the end of this trade. I'm up over $6,000 right now, and I still have 25% of my positions still running in this trade, still running in profit. So I'm holding. I'm not going anywhere. Even if I want to be greedy sometimes, this is now the time I'm going to add more positions. So Nasdaq is not going down. Again, Nasdaq have started to pick up momentum, but however, this momentum is likely going to end up at this momentum that Nasdaq has picked up is likely going to end at 10885.61. If it breaks 1.65, this level, if it breaks this psychological level that you're seeing right now, let me tell you what's going to happen next. We are going to ride this big trend to the upside again, guys. We are going to ride this trend to the upside again. Look at it. We are going to ride this thing to the upside again. I'm going to be looking. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Of course, I always bank with the market makers, guys. I always try to see what they're trying to do, and then I want to ride with them. So Nasdaq is in a very critical zone right now. A trend about to start, guys, and when this trend begins, we're going to ride it to the moon. There's consistent money to be made in this market, guys. Consistent money to be made. Crazy money to be made in this market, guys. Crazy money. Yeah, guys. This is Millionaires FS. You can see GBP USD. The bullish momentum have already resumed again. I told you guys there's going to be manipulation. Look at GBP USD. There was manipulation for 30 minutes. There were retracements. Let me not call it manipulation. Let me say there's retracements for 30 minutes. Two 15 minutes candle, 30 minutes, and then the bullish momentum have resumed again to the upside. If I want to be greedy, I can add more position to GBP USD and begin to ride it again. But I'm tired. I've already taken enough money from this market. So I want to rest. So if you want to get into this market again, GBP USD, you can get in more position into GBP USD, guys. Okay. So I want to keep riding the one I have already. I'm not going to add more position to GBP USD, but I'm going to keep riding it to the moon. I'm not going to close this position. I told you guys the remaining 25%, I'm going to sacrifice it to the gods of trading. That's what I'm going to do. That's the remaining 25%. I'm going to ride it to the moon. I'm not going to close it. I'm not going to close it. I'm going to hold it there and I'm going to ride it. I'm going to keep riding it. This remaining 25%, it's a new trend that is just starting. We are not just there trying to get the move, catch the news. No, we have a structure. We have to understand the market structure, the trend line structure, and the rectangular structure of the market. Okay, the market structure, the structure of the market. So when you understand all these things, then you can be able to take advantage of it to make more money from this market. So like I said to you guys, there was a manipulation, there was a retracement in this market. They will always do this every time. This retracement have happened for 30 good minutes, 15 minutes candle, which made it 30 minutes of retracement. Okay, guys, 30 minutes of retracement. So now the move have already, the momentum have already picked up again, and now we're going to see the second phase of the explosive move, of the bullish move, okay, to the upside. Okay, however, if we get an M pattern or we get a strong consolidation, then we are going to have to close all the positions. Okay, but I do not think that we are going to see um a retracement right now. Why? The question is, we just started a new trend. The market is going to continue to the upside. Okay, do not mind the manipulation. The market is going to continue to the upside. They might try to trick you and scare you to close your position, but if you know what you're doing in the market, you're going to hold that position and you're going to hold it there until the market gets to where you want it to get to. It's a new trend that just started and we're going to ride it to the moon. So guys, stick close to me. This is Millionaires FX once again. This is Millionaires FX once again, and it's your boy Nice Henry. So I'm still checking the markets. I'm still riding the trend. If you have a question, you can ask me. If you have a comment, if you ask a question, if you want to understand anything, ask me. However, to make it easy for you, join our inner circle. Subscribe to our channel, guys. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel. Yeah, also subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Encourage this work that we're doing. If you encourage this work, it's going to help us to continue to come live every day and give you more interesting trading content. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you're watching, just hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, guys. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we come live, you're going to see it. Okay, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm to continue to promote our content. Thank you very much, guys. So keep watching. If you are trying to pass a challenge, if you're trying to pass a challenge, a trading challenge, join Millionaires FX. We're going to help you basically on a one-on-one basis so that you can be able to pass your trading channel. You're going to be able to pass the challenge. Okay, guys. We're going to help you so that you can be able to pass the challenge. If you are struggling to pass a challenge, we're going to help you to pass the challenge. If you're trying to pass a funded challenge, or you want to start making a lot of money from trading, join Millionaires FX. We will give you our 1-minute scalping strategy, and then we give you this particular one that we're using too. Trust me, guys, you're going to be very, very successful. You're going to be very, very successful. Trust me, you're going to make a lot of money from the market. There's nothing that's going to stop you. So we are still in the profits. We are still riding this thing to the upside, and then we are still riding it to the upside. So guys, we are still here. We're waiting to see what happens. This one is going to be a slow ride, and we're not going anywhere. If you want to get my 1 minute scalping strategy that can make you crazy money, you wanna know about US 30? Okay, let me pull up the screen. Listen, US 30, Nasdaq, those indices, they behave alike. So I'm going to check US 30 for you right now and tell you what's going to happen on US 30. You're stuck. No, you don't have to be stuck. When you're with Millionaires FS, you can't be stuck. Okay, let's see. I'll find it for you. US 30, US 30. Yeah, I'm going to check it for you right now, so don't worry yourself. Whatever it is, we're going to find out what it is. They behave alike with US 30 and Nasdaq. They're like brothers and sisters. They're always doing the same thing. Okay, guys. So cool down. I'm going to check US 30. US 30 is doing what Nasdaq is doing. It's the same thing. I told you guys they are the same. They are always behaving alike. It is bullish. It is bullish. However, it is in consolidation. That's the reason why it's not moving. It's doing the same thing Nasdaq is doing. They are behaving like US 30 and Nasdaq. They behave alike. So what I'm going to tell you is, let's have a closer look at US 30. Sorry, guys. I'm going to remove the indicator and try to. I want to give you a quick. It is bullish, guys. I told you it's bullish. It's very bullish. I don't even need to look at it very deeply to know. I know it's because of this manipulation here you are confused. It's because of this manipulation, this spike here, this whipsaw here. That's why you're confused. But you don't have to be confused. Just draw a trend line, and then when you break that trend line, you start a new trend. A new trend have already started on US 30, bro. Go in. You are looking very at a bullish market. Don't be stuck. It have already retested yesterday's low. Okay, it have retested. It have already. What it did was to. This is yesterday's low. Okay, couldn't go back to yesterday, but it opened near the low of yesterday. So let's assume it's open near the low of yesterday. It have worked its way back to one of the swing points from yesterday, but I've cleared all the stops from here, and now we are going to see that bullish momentum kicking, and then we're going to be looking at US 30 is going to give you. This is the level you're going to be looking at. Let us look at the structure to find out if you're going to see some kind of resistance. Yes, you're going to see some resistance at this level. You're going to see some resistance at this level. This level is 32,529. You're going to be seeing some resistance at 32,529, but after that it is going to continue. If it breaks 32,529, then it is bullish. The next level you're going to be looking at is 32,964. So US 30 is very, very bullish. Okay, it have broken the structure, it have broken the trend, the trend line structure, and now it have also broken the rectangular structure, which means that now you're going to be looking at a bullish market. You're going to ride this trend all the way up. So do not let it scare you or think that so this is it, guys. This is it. US 30 is bullish. Okay, US 30 is bullish. So however, it is behaving like Nasdaq. It is going very slowly, but it is still going to get there. Okay, I do not know the reason why it is actually consolidating. You can see that Nasdaq is also consolidating. That is the reason why the US 30 is also consolidating. That means something is actually holding it down, making it difficult for it to move. Okay, so guys, guys, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So US 30 and Nasdaq are the same. They always behave alike. So just wait. Look at what that spike on Nasdaq. You still have it on US 30. It's the same thing. Both of them do the same thing. So we have seen the structural break here, and the structural break, the rectangular structure break, the trend line structure also broken. So that means we are bullish. So don't be stuck, bro. Don't be stuck. Don't be stuck. You're in order. It's just that there's a consolidation. It is not moving. There's a consolidation at the moment. maybe it is going to move later. Sometimes it happens like that. It might decide not to move right now, but it could move later. So you are going to be looking at two levels: 32,525, and then you're going to be looking to take profit again at 32,961. That's the two places. If it gets there, you take partial profit, and if it gets to the TP, you take profit. But then, how do you know when the next trend is going to start? It is going to break the trend line. A new trend have already started, and this is it. This is, I call it, okay, this market have really have the real balance for sure. For now, it have broken this structure, so let us wait. It's going to do some manipulation, I think, and then it's going to come back and test this structure, or maybe it's going to break and then come back. So whenever it gives, when it gives us the first pullback, that's when we are now going to connect the trend line and begin to observe the market to see what's going to happen. So for now, you are bullish and you have to relax and hold your position. Nothing is going to happen. It is not going anywhere. It is going to continue. So I told you guys gold is going to hit our 1669 level. Is have been hit. Gold hit TP. So let us give ourselves a round of applause. We've done so well. GBP USD is on fire, guys. It's on fire now. GBP USD is now very bullish. Bullish mode activated. Bullish mode activated, guys. Bullish mode activated. So you can see it. We are still pushing. We are going to break this bank zone. I believe you're going to break it now that you have retraced. We're going to see that momentum coming, and we're going to break it. We are likely going to see even this trend. We're likely going all the way to this trend. So we're going to hold our position and keep riding it. I told you it's a new trend, and we're going to ride it. We are not closing our positions, and we are not going anywhere. You can see Euro USD also is on fire. The trend have already continued. We are in the money again. We are starting to ride this trend again. Oh my lord, this is looking so good. I do not know how I can trade like this. Seriously, sometimes I don't understand what is wrong. What is trading inside me? You don't have to be scared, bro. This is Millionaires FX. We are never scared here. We are never scared of the market, bro. We are not scared of the market because we know what they are doing. When you are stuck, when you are scared, is when you don't know what you're doing. You mean oil? Okay, I'll check the oil. I'll check the US. Bro, your US 30 is already flying right now. Check the US 30, it is flying right now. So let us check the US oil. Somebody is talking about the US oil. Oh, the US oil is on fire, bro. Look at that trade. I told you guys that it's gonna break it. You see the US oil is on fire, bro. Look at. I was waiting for that trend line to break. There's so much money in this market to be made. I don't know. There's so much money to be made in this market, bro. There's so much money to be made in this market. Seriously. The best thing you can do to yourself is to come and trade with me every day. Look at. I was waiting for it to break this trend line, and now that it has broken this trend line, you can see it's crazy. After it break the trend line, we ride all the way up until this trend is also broken. Now that it have started to move, what are we going to do? We are going to draw a trend line and begin to wait. Very soon we are going to see a bearish momentum. The market is going to fall again. Guys, it's as simple as that. Trading is easy. Look at it, bro. It's open near the low of yesterday. Look at it. Look at that consolidation. I told you about the closing and opening price. It opened near the low of yesterday, and look at it. It's on fire. If you scale it in, you make crazy money. Gold, everything is. Oh my lord, I don't know what to say, man. This is just awesome. This is just too awesome. Bro, can you see the US 30 now? Can you see the US 30? Guys, look at the US 30. It's looking very bullish right now. It's time for you to start making money. Scale your position in. Make money because I got your back, bro. I got your back right now. Now that I'm here, make as much money as you can. Scale your position in and take enough money out of this market while you can. That is how we roll in Millionaires FX. I'm up almost $1,500 right now. I'm still counting. I told you guys I'm holding my position. I'm not closing anything. I'm not closing anything. AUD USD is still in good profit. Oh god, I'm feeling so good, guys. I'm feeling so good. I've made good profit today and I'm smiling. Trading with zero emotions. This is how we trade, guys. It's trading with zero emotions. Nothing is on the line. There's nothing to panic about. There's nothing to worry about, guys. Okay? There's no need to fear. the market. If you know what you're doing, the reason why you're scared of the market is because you don't know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, you don't have to be scared. Our US 30 is flying, bro. Are you still stuck? Can you give us a thumbs up? Can you tell us? Can somebody post the result, please? I want to see the result. If you can go to join Millionaires FX, join our free Telegram group and our free Discord group. Please post the result there. Please just post the result there and make us happy. That's all we want. Post the result there and encourage us to do more, guys. So, bro, ride your US 30. Ride it. It is on fire right now. Just keep riding, guys. Bro, just keep riding. Keep riding, keep riding, keep riding. Keep riding the shit. Keep riding. It's on fire. It's flying right now. I can see it. Oh, gold is looking good. It's still kicking above. Oh my lord. I'm so happy. Yeah, bro. I we talked about oil, right? Once it breaks that trend line, bro, you can hedge in the opposite direction. Trust me, you're gonna ride it like crazy. You're gonna ride it like crazy. Thank you, Elham. It's nice to have you. Always have you by my side on the chat with me. Always, I feel so great when I have you around. Thank you very much for being a part of Millionaires FX. Like, I'm sure you are really enjoying your stay. I know you are enjoying your stay. I don't need a soothsayer to tell me that you are enjoying your stay. You can see 5 pairs, 5 wins, all in profit. You can see Euro USD, guys. It's still flying. It's still flying, guys. It's still flying. I'm up now $1,700. I'm telling you guys, I'm not closing shit. I am not closing shit. This is good, guys. I feel so good. I feel great. I feel like I'm up almost $2,000 now. Insane profits in just in one day. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. We are family, bro. We are family. We are family, bro. I got your back. I got your back any day, anytime. My goal is to make sure that you're a profitable trader. I told you guys, I say the best trading decision you can make is to be a part of Millionaires FX. That's the best trading decision you can make. That's the best trading decision you can make. Once you make it, it's done. Everything begins to work in your favor. Okay, you don't have to be scared. You just have to follow the. See, let me tell you what happens. I'll talk about this on the inner circle, guys. I'm going to talk about it in the inner circle. How they manipulate this price. These markets make major changes on the 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart is a stable chart for the day traders. Okay, 15 minutes chart is the stable chart for the day traders. What happens is that when they open a new 15 minutes chart, they're going to start looking like they're going down. The idea is to give you the impression that the market is actually going down. That is not true. It is going to happen until maybe after the 14th minute or the 13th minute. The bullish momentum is going to come back in again and continue the move to the upside. US 30, hold your position, and you're going to see that you're going to make more profit from this market. This is a new trend that is just starting. If you ask me, I'll say If you open multiple positions, then you are going to close partials and you're going to hold some, because this particular trend is going to run for some days. You're going to run minimum 3 days, 2 to 3 days. You're going to get this continuous bullish momentum continue in the upside. So however, there can be retracement, they could be, that's why I said close part of your position when you've made some money from this market, and then when you close part of your positions, then you are going to hold the remaining one for the long time. Okay, that's how we trade, guys. This is Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform anywhere in the world. We hold one-on-one sessions every day. I teach my students with one-on-one live session. We hold live session every day for 1 hour, where we look at the charts, we learn about the charts, we understand the behavior of the market, the behavior of the market maker, what to see in the charts, what to expect in the market. This is what we do. That's how we roll. Okay, guys, this is how we roll. So give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Okay, give us a like. If you give us a like, it makes this broadcast sweeter. Okay, there will be manipulations in the market. If you don't know you're going to be closing your position and you're thinking that the market is actually going to go against you, no, they are scaring you to close your position. When they begin to do like that, sometimes they can hold the market down for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes. If you don't know, what you have to do is to spread your positions. As the market gives you good money, start taking profit while you hold a partial positions, so that you're going to hold it for the long time and still make even more money. Okay, that way you don't have to be scared of what is going to happen in the market. You're not going to be scared of losing money in the market, guys, because there will be retracement. Retracement is part of trading. So for you to avoid losing everything or being scared and then closing your position prematurely, take partials, please. Okay, I've taken 75% profit out of the market, and now I am playing around with 25%. If I see something nice, I'm going to add more position to it. Now I don't have anything to be scared, because now I'm not in loss. I'm only in profit. Now I'm playing around with their money, not my money. I don't play around with my capital. I play with their own capital, with their money. Now we can play all they want. We can play all day and all night, because now I'm already in the money. I'm already in good profit, so we can play around. If they want us to play all day, I'm game. If they want us to play all night, provided we are playing with their money. Okay, I don't play with my capital, I play with their money. So this is it, guys. Now I'm in good profit, so we can mess around, we can play around. I don't joke. Sorry, I don't care. I don't mind. We can mess around with the capital. With the now, even if I'm getting taking the is going retracing against me, I'm still in profit. So there's nothing to lose. US 30 guy, you guess I told you to hold your position. Can you see that after the manipulation now, the market that candle started as a red candle? Can you see that this current 15 minutes candle started as a red candle, but now it is gradually turning into green, and at the end of the day, it started as a red candle, it's going to end up as a green candle. That is the manipulation. When they begin to push the market downwards, you begin to get scared, and then you begin to close your position. But the truth is that it doesn't work like that. The market is going to continue to the upside. It's not going to come down. It's not coming down. Okay, it's not coming down right now. It's going to continue to the upside, at least to that, at least to our TP1. At least you're going to be able to see 30, this 32,532. At least you're going to see 32,532 at least, before any kind of retracement. Okay, at least. So we are still bullish. The market is still flying. It is still flying, guys. It is still flying, guys. Euro USD is in crazy profit. Come and see it, guys. Let me show you. Crazy profit, guys. no problem, bro. Next week, yeah, next week we have a lot of market to trade. Trust me, we have a lot of market to trade. Trust me, this setup comes every day. We're just getting started. We are millionaires FX, and the goal is to make every trader a millionaire, bro. The goal is to make every trader that is part of us a millionaire, guys. Okay, the goal is to make everyone a millionaire. So now we are up in good profit. I do not know want to count the pips. It is crazy. I do not want to start counting the pips. It is crazy, guys. I do not want to start counting the pips. It is crazy to count the pips. It is just crazy. It's still looking very bullish. If I want to be greedy, I'm going to load it up again real good, and it's going to continue. Okay, pairs like US 30 and Nasdaq, they are not done yet. So bro, when you are confused like that, you go and check correlated pairs. You see Nasdaq. I'm waiting for Nasdaq to break that psychological level. If it breaks it, then we're going to ride this. We're going to start this trend. We're going to ride this trend. So I'm waiting for Nasdaq. I'm watching Nasdaq to see what's going to happen. AUD USD is about to hit our take profit. AUD USD is about to hit our take profit, guys. If you have a question, you can ask me, guys. You can ask me. I'm up over $2,000 in profit. I'm still going, guys. We are still going. I don't want to be greedy. If I want to be greedy, I'm going to load it more again, like at first, and then I'm going to ride it again. Okay, guys. I'm going to ride it again. We're still in good profits. Still in good profits, guys. If you, bro, can you see the US 30 now? Can you see the US 30? I told you to hold the position. Can you see what's happening now? Can you see what is happening now? It is flying like crazy. And now we are going to be looking at TP2, take profit 2. Please, I'm not getting any likes. If you're not giving me likes, I'm not smiling, guys. Can you guys give me likes? Can you subscribe to my channel? I want to be seeing some subscription going on. I want to see somebody giving me a thumbs up. Please, can you subscribe to this channel and encourage me to come live again to do this with you? It's not easy to sit down here for hours. Okay, it's not easy to sit down here for hours trading with you live. Okay, it is not easy. Most traders cannot do it. They cannot sit down and trade live with you. It's only the traders who are really good. If until you are very good, you cannot trade live. You cannot try it. If you try it, you're going to lose your money. So no losses, only wins, guys. Only wins. We are still in profit, guys. Still in profit, in massive profits. We are riding this shit to the moon, to Mars, like Elham said. Elham, we are riding it to Mars. Trust me. So once I'm get tired, I'm gonna close everything and go and rest. I'm tired, man. Been streaming for how many hours now? Over two over 2 hours now. So we are up good profits. We are up good profit. The market is still flying. So guys, we are still there. We are still waiting for these trades to do their thing. Come on, guys. We are printing money. Basically, we have been printing money here, guys. I'm already exhausted. It's time to close this shit and take my profit and walk away, guys. Oh my lord, it's so good. What a great weekend. What a great weekend. Five pairs, five win. It is not luck, guy. If you don't know it, you don't know it. It is not sheer luck, guys. It's not sheer luck. If you don't know it, you don't know it. You cannot. If you don't know how to do it, you can't do it. Five pairs, five win. So, guys, it was nice hanging out with you guys. I have to go right now.